this is a situation that has the potential for a nuclear catastrophe. And it's basically a race against time, because what has happened is that plant operators have not been able to cool down the core of, I understand, of at least 2 reactors, which contain enormous amounts of radioactivity because of failed backup diesel generators. Were probably damaged by the tsunami or the earthquake. So there is a major effort underway to fly in via military helicopters and others power sources, batteries, to keep the electricity going, to allow water to circulate, to remove the tremendous amount of heat that is built up in the reactor.
And if they can't get them cooled, then what?
Well, I mean, there's a window of time that's probably somewhere in a matter of 24 hours, where if they're not able to cool these reactors, and they're not able to particularly supply fresh, cool water to remove the decay heat, then the water will start to boil off, and eventually the reactor core, the fuel elements, will be exposed. And when that happens, then the temperatures start to build, and then in a matter of several hours, you can start to have the reactor experience a meltdown, and other things could happen with these very high temperatures that could be as high as 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. For example, the zirconium cladding that contains the uranium fuel at those kinds of temperatures can spontaneously combust, to catch fire. The interaction with the zirconium and the radiation in the water could generate hydrogen, and you might have fires and explosions. We really don't know what will happen if the core is exposed, but these are some of the issues that we have to be concerned about.
Right. And my last question to you, sir, in regards to remembrances of Chernobyl and to 3 Mile Island, worst case scenario of what you just described, what could that part of the world see if something like that happened?
Well, I think unlike Chernobyl, the Japanese reactors and the U.S. reactors have safety systems that make it harder for radiation to escape. The primary one is what they call the secondary containment, or the reactor, the concrete structure that's over the reactor vessel. If for some reason that vessel is compromised, especially from heat or explosions and fires, you could have a catastrophic release. But we don't know how this is going to unfold, and I'm hoping very much they'll be able to restore cooling for these reactors before any of this happens.